What do you do?
networking.
What do you do, Amrita?
Sir, I'm pursuing masters in philosophy from Delhi University.
Which college? Same JD.
Lakshmi Bai
So where are you from originally?
from Gurgaon,
Gurgaon. So where did you had your graduation?
Delhi University,
Which college?
JDMC.
JDMC. Okay. Yeah. Tell me बेटा.
सर मुझे आपसे पूछना था कि what should I do in future? मतलब क्या करना चाहिए मुझे?
Why did you choose philosophy, masters?
सर because मुझे लेक्चरशिप के लिए वो करना अप्लाई करना है.
So you like to be a
Professor.
professor. You have to choose whether it's in university or in college.
जी.
Where?
सर जिधर मिल जाएगी उधर.
No, no. We should always look for the highest. What you get is not what is important.
सर यूनिवर्सिटी.
Yeah. So university minimum requirement you should have a PhD.
जी.
So when you are doing masters, your aim is to do PhD.
जी.
Okay. So now you are in first year or second year?
First year, second semester.
So which are the papers you are reading now?
So Indian philosophy, Western philosophy, Indian logic, and critical traditions of India, philosophical tradition of India, the Vedic woman. 5 papers.
Okay. Vedic woman, what did you read in that? Because you told me the last paper, I am asking that. Otherwise, nothing. We will come to
Sir.
Western philosophy, Indian philosophy, the first two also later.
Yes sir. सर वैदिक अभी क्लासेस स्टार्ट नहीं हुई है बट इंट्रोडक्टरी क्लास हुई थी उसमें मतलब जो स्टार्टिंग में कैसे वैदिक वुमेन्स के बारे में फेमिनिज्म पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से
No,
हम
the,
स्टडी करेंगे.
what is exactly required? You are not a graduate student now.
जी यस
And you have to go to PhD. That means you are going to be the master of your subject.
जी.
You are the master of your subject.
जी.
MA philosophy means you are the master.
जी.
Right? So don't take any teachers, lower people as your
जी.
special people. Because you are going to be equal to them very soon. Correct? So what you
Yes,
should
sir.
look at is higher than that. Have you seen Gorakhpur publishers anytime?
सर नाम सुना है मतलब.
Yeah. Any railway station you will see Gorakhpur publishers.
जी.
Because there is a board, Gita Press. Vedic means they are the authority in India. There is a special edition called Woman Number. You will have to take a pen and paper whenever you talk to me.
ओके सर.
Otherwise, you will forget. Amrita is not very intelligent, but whatever I speak, I can just speak like this.
यस सर.
How do you know me, Amrita?
सर जयंती मैम के उससे रेफरेंस से.
What you should do when I am talking to you, don't listen. Everybody will say listen, listen. I am saying don't listen. What you should do? Repeat what I am saying inside mind. Now what did I say now? Repeat everything what I say in your mind. That's what I told, right? So you are also telling the same thing inside you. So what Amrita
Yes,
should
sir.
do? Now I asked you
Repeat.
what Amrita should do. I asked you. Inside you repeat same what Amrita should do.
I
Then
should repeat.
yeah,
the
repeat
same things,
internally.
whatever you will say.
That is what is reflection.
जी.
Listening is you are not reflecting, but I want you as a mirror of me. Whatever I speak, the whatever way I do, you will have to make a mimicry like this later.
Okay sir.
You will then your communication will become exactly like what I am doing. If you think I am little better.
Yes sir, you are
Okay.
very.
So what did I say? Gita Press.
जी.
And in Gita Press, there is a woman number. Generally, they make small 20 page, 30 page small magazine.
जी.
But once in a while, they make a beautiful big book, 300 page.
जी
And that 300 page, one of the issue is Upanishad, another one is Veda. If you want to be a philosopher, you want to be my student who love philosophy.
yes
See, I
sir
love people who love teaching you,
yes sir
right? Because you can change many people. That's why I came to know you. Otherwise, I am from a small village in Kerala. How do I reach somebody who is in Gurgaon, in and I am talking to you like this? How is it possible? Because I love education, I love teaching, right? So you can connect to the whole world. So what are you
yes
going to
sir.
do? Gita Press, you can write, they will send you.
I have to order this
Yeah, it's
magazine.
one of the most
Okay.
cheapest book in the world will be Gita Press.
Okay sir.
You can get Bhagavad Gita for 5 rupees.
जी
And there, I have all these books in my library. I have a beautiful library in Hyderabad.
yes sir.
So I got all these Gita Press books. Woman number is beautiful. It has got many aspects of lady characters in philosophy. Now when you will get, you update me when you write to them, get it, you tell me, take a picture and send it to me. That's how mentoring is. I want to know what Amrita is doing every bit of your time.
Okay
And then
sir.
once you get, I will give you 1 week time. Look at one character there, study, and then make a presentation.
Okay sir.
So that I will learn from Amrita. Okay, I read it maybe 10 years back. Maybe they will have, definitely they will have, because they keep all these books.
Okay sir.
Gorakhpur Gita Press. Okay. Don't wait for some teachers to tell you. I'm 100% sure none of your teachers will give you this information what I gave you now.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now Indian philosophy. Indian philosophy, who is the best Indian philosopher? I'll ask you one question now.
Indian philosopher best.
See, what you should do is you should have this question in mind, write a paper. Who was the great philosopher? You must hunt for that name. I'll give you one name or 2 names I can give you. I can give you many names, but I'm giving you only 2 names now. One is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.
जी
He wrote his own path, he made his own path, wrote his own books. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is a great philosopher. Second, Gus Aurobindo. Aurobindo's philosophies are great philosophies. Okay, so you look at people, when you study, you should have all these nice, beautiful notebooks in which you must write all this. And at least one book you should have from all these great. You don't have to buy. You go to that old books market in Delhi. Many of them will be there in the market. You get a lot of places where you get old books, right?
जी
You can. Okay. Otherwise, online, download and keep it. You should have a online directory with you because you are a philosophy student. I have Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's book. I have a philosophy dictionary of philosophy. Most of the dictionary terms, epistemology. What is epistemology?
theory of knowledge.
When you look at dictionary, only one line will be written or more will be there.
So more will be written.
So when you speak, you are not a 10th class, you are not a graduate, you are not plus 2, you are masters. So
Yes.
until I say stop, you must have a lot of things to speak. So write down all the technical terms, look at all the technical terms and identify the meanings of it. You know what is the advantage? Your vocabulary in philosophy will become very strong.
Yes sir.
So when you speak, English will come automatically because all technical terms are there. You understood?
Yes sir.
When you look at one page, write down all technical terms, look at dictionary. Understand the meaning because you have to read only once. That one time reading should be 100% perfect. Which you don't understand, you write it separate and then next time when you meet me, you ask question. I may not know, but I love to learn something new. Okay, and Western philosophy similarly. Who was the greatest Western philosopher?
So I don't remember.
See, you heard about great writers. Who are
Yes,
the
sir.
great writers who could be philosophers? Is it Leo Tolstoy is a great philosopher? Was he only a writer, only a storyteller, or did he talk about most of the stories will have philosophy inside? Okay, make a note of who was great in Germany, who was raised in Russia, who was great in America. At least 5 different continents, different great nations in which identify the great philosophers. Read at least
Yes, sir.
one book, because tomorrow Amrita is going to become a professor in a university. So don't think that you are a student now.
Yes, sir.
You are stitching a dress to wear for a professor's post. Then if you prepare like this from today onwards, your masters and all will become very simple, that anybody can pass. So your class is not at all important, because you will know much more than your teachers. I'm sure most of the best teachers like Jayanti Sahu and all will love to listen to me talking like this.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
preparing you for MA examination. I'm preparing you for a after PhD. When you go for a job, how are you going to appear for interview? And those interview
Yes.
boards should see, yeah, great knowledge. I want this lady as my university. Are you
Yes, sir.
seeing me? That should be your aim.
Okay, sir.
Yes? Thorough job. And then contemporary English, contemporary philosophy, then mythological heritage. What you said is tradition, like old heritage. That's another paper which you had, right?
Yes, sir.
What is that name? Name of the paper? Indian?
Critical in critical philosophical tradition of India.
That is tradition. That's history. That means your heritage,
Yes, sir.
in which you will see a lot of things like Yoga Shastram, Brahma. You don't have to wait for teachers. I'll tell you. You just read. There is a small UPSC examination point of view. I made Indian yoga philosophy, one small lecture. But that is
Yes, sir.
too crisp, too brief. So each word by word, each sentence which came from me, if you want to expand it, you will have to refer a lot. So write down all technical terms. When you see any video from me, make a comment there. Oh, so that I know Amrita looked at it. Okay? So look at those very, very serious learning. That is what is essential. Fine. Similarly, look at the last semester papers. Do the same way. So that when you don't tell the paper names only, you will have to say, now I will ask you, why did you say Indian philosophy first, then Western philosophy? But why did you say last woman number, the woman philosophy?
Sir, they all are in that order.
That order, right? But you should have a choice, right? Now I will ask you, among all these, when you study, you should have your choice. Okay, so when you study, what you should do? Yeah, I will do PhD in Western philosophy. Immediately when you read Indian philosophy, I will do PhD in Indian philosophy. When you read about a woman, yeah, I will do philosophy in them. Great leaders are there. India, Gargi. Heard about Gargi?
So not yet.
Great ladies. The lady contributors are great.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So look at each chapter by chapter, each paper by paper, very critically. And don't wait. Anytime you have anything to ask, you must be able to just message me. Right? Now Atira just joined. Atira
Yes.
is also philosophy student, but graduate student. Amrita is a PG student of philosophy from Delhi.
Hello, Athira.
Namaste.
So anything more to ask, Atira? Or maybe Amrita, Ishwar, Devananda is also there.
So first I'll try this.
No
then
try. No try better.
I'll do this.
Yeah, good girl. No
Then
try.
next step.
You can try to get the book because that's not in your control, right? But I'm 100% sure you will get it. Otherwise, I will send you my copy also. No problem. I'll gift you my copy. But I'm sure it's Gita Press is one which keeps lot of stock, and it's very simple. The great contributors, great writers are there. Not like your G.D. Sharma. There are authorities who have done research. They don't copy things. They write from their own heart. Okay. Yeah, Devananda, why are you here? Devananda and Ishwar can come on to video. You are in dark?
Sir, because here there's no current.
Okay, doesn't matter.
Because of the
Yeah, but doesn't matter. Okay, now tell me. So Amrita, what did we discuss so far? You can explain it. Today we called because Amrita wanted me to call her. So she joined 10 minutes back. Okay, Amrita, tell what did you learn today?
I learned that I should not try things. I should do things because it is in my hand to do my best, and I should try. I should do my best, and I have to read this book and note the technical terms because I want to pursue a PhD in philosophy. So I should have a I should speak.
Yeah, you can speak well when you have technical words and vocabulary with you. The words,
I can.
the vocabulary is the words. So technical terms, vocabulary is with you. Then it becomes easy for you to communicate. Communication becomes better when you have lot of. See, don't worry about the people who speak stylish English. That's not important. What is important is having stuff, having knowledge, having technical terms. So if you want to have technical terms in your subject, most important, you must have lot of vocabulary with deep knowledge in each one of them. That means you must look at meaning. Yeah. And Indian philosophers, make the list of Indian philosophers, make the list of Western philosophers. And who is the Indian philosopher you must read? Who is that?
Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and Aurobindo.
Not enough. I only gave 2 names. That's it. There are many more. Atira, who are the great Indian philosophers?
there are not, but contemporary can be M. Kiriyana, Kumaraswamy, and of course the books of and the commentaries of Shankaracharya, then Buddhist books, Nyaya philosophical books, then Abhinava Gupta, etc.
Bhaskara.
Yeah, Bhaskara.
That's all. That tradition. The Indian tradition when it comes. I am talking about maybe 1900s or pre-independence. They are the people who actually got into academic philosophy. If they were not there, they would not have referred Shankara's name. We won't even know. People will know, but the academicians will not know. So the contributors of philosophy in academics, we should talk about them.
That times that
Yeah. And Western philosophers?
it could be many Kant, especially then could be Descartes.
Yeah.
Then of course I forgot the names, but Wittgenstein and Lord Heidegger and Lord Book.
What you should do is, I was telling Atira to Amrita to put them into different country, and who are the people from Russia, who are the people from Germany, right? The European, American. So put them into those categories. And there are people who are novel writers, story writers, and they are also philosophers. There are philosophers who are scientific community, right? Poets are also there. Maybe Indian philosopher, one of the greatest person could be Vivekananda also. He is also considered as a great philosopher. He may not be talking in terms of the philosophical terms, but they're all part of the development of philosophy. Yeah.
Is there any way to overcome social anxiety?
What is that?
Social anxiety?
What is that social anxiety? What does it mean?
Difficult to communicate for the first time or initiate a talk.
See, your all ability in you depends on one, parental. Second one, the way you are brought up. Right? Third one could be you had maybe bad experience. Right? So what is to be done now? All these contribute together 90%. 10% is in your hand. So what is 10%? Use it. Don't worry about. See, I was not at all into communication with the public. I could never speak to somebody. I was almost like an introvert. Probably I had no good friends in my school days also. Right? But I communicate to only people who probably have some interest in academics. That's how I started. Then when I travel, I keep books. But then definitely when you keep a book, somebody will have question. No? Maybe when you have magazines or paper, somebody neighboring person who was traveling with you will also ask you. Right? If they don't ask, I don't even venture to talk to them. Don't think that if you don't talk to somebody and interact socially, it is a very bad thing. Not necessarily. Whether talking to some people is good or bad is to be decided. What is good, what is bad. Do you have to be so pushy? Not necessarily. But wherever you get a chance to talk to somebody, where you can get some information, where you can share some knowledge, where assume that somebody comes to your college for a talk. You have some questions to ask and you have some delicacy in asking. That should go. So the question is whether you want and stop it. There are many people, 90% of people, they don't want to interact at all. So what? Nothing wrong. Because they are made like that. So when do you feel this? I wanted to communicate and not happening. If that is the problem, what is to be done? Use it. All the opportunities. Got it? So when we meet, if this meeting happens quite often, I am sure you are meeting a lot of people and that fear will go. Not that in a very large auditorium with 1,000 people you are put on to stage, you cannot be a great speaker all on a sudden. That may not happen. Right? So 2-3 things. One is courage. But courage itself is not good enough. If it is conversation, you don't require knowledge. But if you want to communicate, you need knowledge. Conversation you can have, right? So what is social skill? Social skill 2 types. One is in a formatted way. Another one is informal. Got it? So informal, it is the society. I am sure you must be talking to your neighbors. If not, start talking to them. When there is a marriage function, when you are all there, will you talk to every relative? Some people don't. Right? Then what you should do? You should look at some politicians, they keep on keeping the hands and say hi, 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 everybody. The other person even may not show the hand, but still they will show. That's how they attract the people, right? Why you don't show? Because some people have a complex. Yeah, I don't look good. My nose is not good. No, I am too short. Or maybe I am black, all other people are. Assume that you have a normal kurta and then I am going to a party and everybody is with a coat, boot, suit. Don't I have a complex? I feel upset, I am not matching with them. So this can be a complex. Your dress is not matching. Understood? So this can happen. So it is a matching problem. Sometimes why you don't communicate to somebody? Because there is a matching problem. Assume you go to some place and everybody is Englishmen, all whitish people, and they are all talking in a different accent. How do you speak to them? You need a lot of courage, right? Assume that you speak only Malayalam and then somebody is talking in Hindi. What will happen to you? That's another complex. If you don't have complex, you have courage, you have subject to speak, or you need something definitely. What you will do? In whatever language you will speak to them, right? So it's need based. Conversation is always need based. I am 100% sure if there is a purpose, they will do. But some people are not like that. They keep on barging into somebody's periphery and then start talking. Whether it is good or not, we don't. I am not like that. I reserve myself. But when I get somebody to speak, I keep on talking to them. Otherwise, I don't. Generally, when I travel in train, if the matching person is not there, I may not. I will be totally into reading. Most of my journeys in earlier days at your age and all, probably not at your age, maybe post-graduation onwards, I started traveling. All this time, I will have a book. I don't even talk to somebody. So after some time, it will change. Depends on the job which you are in. Assume that you are a clerk in a bank. Probably you don't even have to talk to anybody, right? But assume you are a professor in a college, you will have to speak to somebody. Assume you are a receptionist. What will happen? Tomorrow you got a job as a receptionist. What will happen? You will only talk to somebody who comes to you? No, you will have to talk to them. Have you seen nurses? When they inject also, they will talk to you something, right? Because that is a training given to them. That's how you should talk. Air hostess, every day they meet 300, 400 new fellows in one flight, right? They will have 4 flights. So every day 1,000 people, they have to communicate. You have to stand in front and then do this, no magic, right? The drama. Communication is not talking alone. Communication is also showing all this drama in front of. They are not talking, right? They are only doing this drama, acting. So that also requires a lot of. And if you are a great writer, there are good writers I know. I have few friends. They are good writers. They only write. They don't speak to anybody. Communication is also writing, which stands long term. You can see some beautiful actress and nice handsome actors. The dialogue in cinema will be fantastic, but they go to stage and speak one sentence, doesn't come. Got it? So communication skill is entirely a different ability, which is not a very, very needed aspect of life unless you are for such a job, right? So you need practice. That's it. How do you get it? Practice. Practice, 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 practice. In earlier days when I used to go for lectures, I will have lot of papers. I have book. I write small notes, small papers, chit and put in pocket. Take one by one and then put in sequence. If somebody says half an hour and ultimately I get only 10 minutes, I know where to skip because I color them separate. All that was done once upon a time. Where are you from, Devananda? Devananda or Devinanda? Devi Nandana.
Devinandana.
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Thrissur district, Bennur.
Where?
Bennur near Mala,
Near Mala.
Thrissur district.
Yeah, Mala is very famous.
Yes.
Adira, why Mala is
But
famous?
Is it because of the actor Mala Aravindu?
No. There was a great politician from Mala who was chief minister for Kerala. Devananda, who is that person?
I don't know.
Very bad. Mala is known because Mala was the constituency of K. Karunakaran. K. Karunakaran was called the leader of Kerala. If at all somebody is called the leader of Kerala, it's a great name given to somebody, right? The leader means everybody, even today the politicians know leader means K. Karunakaran. He was one of the best chief ministers and who was the rule maker, who is called Chanakya of Congress politics. When Rajiv Gandhi's time, Narasimha Rao became Prime Minister of India because Karunakaran suggested his name. So if somebody knows why P.V. Narasimha Rao became Prime Minister of India, Karunakaran made him as Prime Minister of India. So he was called Chanakya of Congress. Very, very cunning person. Originally he is not from Mala. He is from Kannur. He is very close to Rishika's place. Rishika is from Kannur. From there he went to Mala and then he most of the time he was contesting in Mala. Now his son also has got similar great courage. Who is that? Murali. Now member of parliament but contesting for assembly from which constituency? Nemam in Tirunelveli. Devananda, what are the subjects you learn?
I am humanities student.
You should tell subjects. Humanity is a branch.
Okay.
Don't become confused.
Okay.
That communication is good only when you speak more than what is required.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
History, politics, economics, statistics, English, Hindi. That's it.
So do you like statistics?
Yes, I like statistics.
Good. Give more concentration to statistics because further you want to go above levels of masters, PhD, graduation. Statistics is must.
Okay, sir.
You can listen to few of my lectures and statistics in the KL University. Today also I posted one video. They're all for BBA, MBA students. Neelima, what are you, Rishika, what are you studying today? All that will come into graduation also. Doing MBA, BBA, same mathematics. So don't study for examination now. Study for life. Whatever you are doing, small problems. If 8th class you are taking to 10 minutes, graduation you should do it in 2 minutes. Understood? Same problem is same, but you must become faster and faster. Yeah. Ishwar, who is in Ishwar's name? Yeah, Devananda has any question to ask? Good.
No, sir. I will say, my wish to get PhD in English. So, what are the things needed?
Which is the poet you like most? Who is the poet you like most? Is it because Krishna Kumar is an English teacher and you like him?
Yes, I like him most. But I really like to. I like teaching very much. I don't know what to take, what subject to take, but not only because of Krishna Kumar, but I don't know why I like to English teacher.
Good. Krishna Kumar is a good English teacher. I know him for maybe 10 years now, more than 10 years. He must have come and stayed with me many times. He used to get his children, students to me. Did he tell you all this?
Yes, that's why I am interested to join. This.
Yeah, I
He
came to-
always saying, he told that he wished to he wished to attend that camp,
Yeah.
but he can't because of this disease and so on.
Yeah. So what you should do is you must look at who are all the great readers. Read a lot. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Start looking at the poets. Who is the greatest poet? Who is the greatest dramatist? Who are the when you do PhD, not that subject alone. You must look at starting from
Okay.
maybe Shakespeare. No? Which are the books of Shakespeare? Others also can answer. Who is one of the greatest poets of English poets?
William Wordsworth.
Hmm?
William Wordsworth.
Wordsworth.
William Wordsworth.
Tell me one poetry of him which you liked.
Lines written in early spring that static and standard.
Okay. Then dramatist. See, what you should do is learn the life story of most of them. You should have a book where you write writers from this place. These are all the great works of them. Okay, list down at least 10-15 of them. You must be able to speak. This person is from this place. These are his great work. Between this year to this year, that will become a history line for you. When Wordsworth was alive, who was in India? Who was in Kerala as a writer? Okay, when Shelley was there, who was there? When Kubla Khan was there, who was there? Right? So who are the drama people? Who are the great people who wrote the drama? Who are the story writers? When Leo Tolstoy was there are a lot of beautiful documentaries available in all of them. All the Rishika, all holidays, what you should do is, at least when you get some time, plan the names of these people to see the documentary and make a note of it. Right? Beautiful bio sketch of Leo Tolstoy. I must have seen most of them. Great writers. Then you will remember them. When their name comes in front of you, you will know, oh, this is where he died. This is where he took birth. This is how his life story was there. When you see like a movie, it will get imprinted in you. That's what is to be done. There are many life stories of great people. You can see in my poetry also I have written. During my childhood, I read about these people and I learned their poetry, and I was always dreaming to go to their land and then see. That's why when I went to London, England, I want to see their house. Because childhood I read they lived in London. Then as soon as I landed in London, I made a list. These are the people whose house I wanted to see. When I go to America, I wanted to see the house of these people. Don't go to park that any buffalo can go. As an academician who love interest in studying, what you should do is list down. So you may not be able to go, but today you can see in front of, no, there are a lot of documentaries available. Beautiful. Okay. So you must come with a lot of questions. Let me not ask you, is there any question? That doesn't look good. Only when I have sent a message, immediately Amrita said, I want to talk to you. Then I said, fine. Rishika knows. She is one similar. Ask questions. Amrita also knows. But Devanandana, you should have a lot of such questions, right?
Not prepared.
Yeah, you should.
I will ask.
No,
okay.
not me alone. See, what you should do is, when you meet a film personality, you must have a lot of things about the movie to ask. Adira was asking, how do you communicate? If you Prime Minister comes in front of you, can you ask him, sir, what is your name? You should have something more to ask, right? Suppose today I meet Modi, what do I ask? How many seats you expect in Calcutta? Bengal. You have done so much. Then you must know how many seats they have now, right? Understood? So that means you should know little politics, then only you can speak to him. Suppose if I meet some film personality, then I should have some questions, right? Suppose if I see Fahad Fasil, I must see Joji, the latest movie also I must have finished seeing. I just finished seeing it. Then I can tell him, yeah, I saw your latest movie. Then immediately I can tell, I know your father. I met him when, Fahad Fasil's father is known to me. I met Fasil in many programs. So, assume you meet a politician, you meet somebody like a sports person. You must be able to speak to them. Suppose when you travel, you got some doctor beside you. You must have something to ask them, right? How do you get? Prepare a lot of questions. Lot of questions. How do you get questions when you read? When you read, you have quest. That's what is required. Okay? Today I was talking to one of the radio program I do every week. So this week what I did was on sound. That's in Malayalam. So that the production chief, Ramesh Payyanur, was my classmate. Ramesh Payyanur is a good mimicry man. So during the talk also I mentioned. I was talking about sound. So how do you analyze sound? Mimicry people will mimic somebody. How do you mimic? Adira knows it perfectly well. She knows how. No, you must look at whether the sound comes from the nose or sound comes from the tongue or from the throat. For some people it comes from the heart, some people comes from the tongue. The sound differences you can look at it. You tell me from where my sound comes, where Adira sound comes, where Rishika sound comes. You must analyze. When you observe it, you can mimic. If you don't observe, you cannot. So mimicry is a great art of observation. Got it? Now, S. Janaki sings, it comes from the throat. So that's why it is a feeble sound. And same, the throat is not very narrow, it is become broadened, you will get Janardhan sound. The Malayalam actor Janardhan, no? This will be like a rubbing sound at the throat. It's not coming from tongue, not from nose. So you must observe it. Observation is must. Okay? Bye-bye. So come back with some questions and then trigger so that we will call next meet as best as possible. Amrita asked, I think Saturday, but I said Monday only I can meet. That's what we meant today.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Good. So Adria has got an assignment. Devi Nandana also got an assignment. You can pick up your own assignments. Now Devi Nandana, when next time when I ask you the English writers, don't tell I don't know names. You should have at least 20 names with you. The same do with others also. You can pick up. So Adira should have lot of, Adira and Amrita should have lot of philosophers' names. So when you speak, others also will learn. That's how we share a lot of knowledge.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Bye. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.